This is the elevator at the Boscov store, which used to be Fortunoff here at the Woodbridge Center, Woodbridge, New Jersey. Going up?
Yeah.
What floor are you going to? UL?
Yeah.
Got the door for you guys. This thing is huge. It's almost the size of a Hummer.
Sorry.
This thing's the size of a Hummer. 8,000 pounds. Here we go. This used to be a Fortunoff store. Chris Cronin has filmed this elevator before. Ooh, shaky. Here are UL. There you go. Going down. Man, this thing's the size of a Hummer.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Which floor are you guys going to?
First floor.
Lower level?
The first level.
Lower level?
Lower level, yes, thank you.
Door post button works. We like that.
Huh?
This thing's the size of a Hummer. 8,000 pounds. There's Big Brother. EPCO CircleLine, hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Capacity is 8,000 pounds.
Wow.
Wow, this size of a military Hummer.
Oh boy.
This military Hummer is the same size. There you go.
Thank you, dear.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, have a nice day.
Bye.
Go back up to UL. What?
I can hear you yelling outside the elevator. Either you lower your voice or we're gonna leave and go somewhere.
Okay.
So stop yelling. Do you get it?
Yeah. Here we go. Yeah, see the size of this thing? 8,000. It's the size of the H1. This used to be Fortunoff store. Back on the LLs. Let's check out the call station. Going down? Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Wow. An absolutely ginormous elevator.
Very good.
This used to be Westinghouse. Fire switch. Now we're gonna listen to the machine room. Going up. Sorry. Now here's the machine room. Let's go take a listen. There goes the elevator.